Many things can make a case into a class action lawsuit. This next Ask the Legal Expert segment has been sponsored by the Simon Law Firm. And today we are diving into all things class action suits. Joining me this afternoon is Simon Law attorney. We have Jared Nixon. Jared, thank you so much for joining me today.
Oh, thank you.
Absolutely. I love when you guys come on. I mean, you're teaching us so many different things about so many different areas of the law. And today, I mean, what would you say truly makes a class action case a class action case?
Yeah, so a class action case is a possibility when a large group of people have been harmed in a similar way by the same misconduct, generally by the same or a small group of companies. Generally, it involves a case where there's maybe small individual harm, but large aggregate or group harm, and the causation and liability are the same. It doesn't have to be everyone has the exact same damages or economic harm, but the misconduct and how people are harmed is the same.
Can you give us some examples of some of those class action lawsuits?
Yeah, so class actions cover a wide variety of legal claims, from data privacy to consumer fraud. As we've seen, your channel recently covered one, for example, against GM on GM's been accused of selling and sharing driver data without drivers' consent, which ended up in a lot of drivers getting increased insurance bills.
And again, several people impacted. That makes it a class action suit. I mean, what is the purpose of a class action lawsuit?
So the purpose of a class action lawsuit is to be able to efficiently and effectively litigate claims on behalf of a large group of people. It wouldn't make sense if everyone had to file their own lawsuit and take their own deposition, file their own court pleadings. When you have potentially thousands or millions of individuals who are affected, you would both cause problems for the court and just waste a bunch of time. When you can do it all as one, it's much more effective and much more powerful.
I like that. It's effective, it's more powerful. And what should someone do if they feel like they might have a class action claim?
They can call me. That's what we do. I think it's important, if you've been harmed and you think a lot of other people have been harmed in the same way, it's important to engage with a law firm and have them help you to investigate it and look into whether it could be a potential class action case.
Like that. Well, St. Louis, if you do find yourself in a sticky situation, you need an attorney, and as Jared just mentioned, you feel like you might not be the only one who might be impacted or harmed, Simon Law is here to help you. If you're interested in learning more or maybe sitting down with an attorney to talk about an issue, you absolutely can. Their number is right there on your screen. It's 314-241-2929. You can also head online to their website at Simon Law PC. And again, Jared Nixon here with us this afternoon. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.